everyone, the website that I chose to do for this assignment was Supporting Emotional Needs of the Gifted. So this website is a resource mainly for teachers, school administrators, or school personnel, and parents. It offers different resources that can be used in teaching gifted students. It offers support groups of parents that just need a little bit of extra encouragement for how to best help their child who is gifted or twice exceptional. So when looking at this website, it is based off of a nonprofit organization that was started in 1981 by Dr. James T. Webb, and just the goal is to help parents and teachers just offer extra resources for them when teaching gifted students. There are fees for this website, unfortunately. There is a month-to-month fee of $12 if you're just going to pay for each month. There's a 1-year membership, so that covers a full year, obviously, and that would be $99. Or if you just want to try it for 1 month, that's also $12. So with that, it comes with different like discounts and things like that on their products, but then also like a free newsletter and things like that. However, I did find that the one free resource that everyone can access are the different articles and things like that under the resources. In the library section here, it has just different things like 100 words of wisdom. If you click on that per se, it just offers different words of encouragement and testimonies and things like that of what's worked, what hasn't worked for people when they're teaching or parenting students that are gifted or twice exceptional. So that's one resource that can be used. There's also, continuing education of just bringing more awareness and things like that for parents and teachers. Again, there's also things like online support groups and parent groups if you want to take a look at that. There's different small groups that meet and just offer, again, encouragement, motivation, things like that when working or parenting students that are gifted or twice exceptional. And then just overall, there's also seminars and or webinars, that can be viewed. Or there's things like the mini conference, if we want to click on that, and kind of get more information on that all have to do, that are associated with this website and this organization. But overall, the appropriate use for this website would be for parents and educators, just to continue their education and knowledge and expand their knowledge of how to work with and parent students that are gifted and twice exceptional. Thank you for watching!